Imani comes by to watch the kids so Scrappy and Erica can go on their first helicopter ride.
These folks did not ask to be here at all, man. They didn't ask to be here at all, so I'm gonna be here for mine. My oldest just got here. I just seen it on the camera. Monday! Oh, she can't get in. Ooh. Hello,
I gotta make sure I don't forget my key in my trunk.
With my baby girl. Well, my oldest baby girl. All of them babies.
I tried the rocket shit.
Let me see. Hey, Tata. You acting shy.
She always extra. Oh, shoot. Callie, you running for what? Where you gonna run to? Monkey Nana, he love that. I don't know what it is.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.